Brands aren't about being pretty. Your brand is not the problem. A brand starts earlier. Branding starts earlier than the actual making it look good part. But it's substance first, then appearance. Okay? We need to get under the hood. It needs to be real clear as to why someone else is going to care about what we're saying. There's actually having insights. There's actually having information. There's actually understanding why people pick your competition and not you. We're not in the job of simply making things pretty. We're in the job of actually going deep, finding what's the essence of that thing that we're bringing to the world. And once you understand that, you actually have the foundation at that point to then get into making it look good. How is that absolutely real, authentic, genuine, meaningful, and relevant? And then let's dress it up for the party.